When working with documents, you are still writing text interpretations of a price manually. Looking at one document and write text to another, you spend too much time and can make mistakes. And this manual rewriting process, if you do that many times in a day, can enrage. So what is the another way? Open Google Spreadsheet with price to text extension, then add your prices on any of the cells on any sheet. Add formula price to text with linking it to the cell or cells with prices to convert. Or select cell or cells with prices and run price to text by going to the add-ons menu, price to text, convert. And more than, you can use settings menu of the tool to change language and currency.